Hello, teacher.
Hi! Hello, Bounty! Suchi, how are you today?
Hello,
How are you?
teacher.
How are you today?
I'm good.
Oh, that's so great to hear, honey. Wait for a while. We will take a picture, okay? Let's take a
Yeah.
picture. And then send it to Kevin. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Yay! Honey, did you go to school today?
Yes.
Yeah. Were you busy last time? Were you
Yes.
busy last time? I see. Okay, wait. Wait for a while, honey. I will just send Kevin the link, okay? I think Kevin's mom forgot about the link. Here we go. Let's wait for Kevin. Okay, honey. Do you still
Yes.
remember the words you've learned last time?
Yes.
What are those? Milk,
Milk. Mm, butter.
butter, what else? Chi. Starts with C.
Cheese.
Cheese. And
Cheese.
then?
Yogurt.
Yes. Which one is your favorite? Which one is your favorite?
Is yogurt.
Very good. It's the yogurt. I see.
Teacher.
What's that? That's so cute. That that's it. That is stuck in your jacket, honey. Yeah. Okay. Honey,
Milk.
is it is it cold there? Is it cold? Yeah.
No.
I know. I see here. It's kinda cold, honey, because it's raining. Yeah, it is raining right now. How about there? How's the weather there, honey?
Is
How is the weather there?
ignorant.
No rain. Okay, but it's not cold, it's not hot. Okay.
It's
So,
cold.
Kevin is here, honey. Kevin is here already. Let's welcome Kevin. Hi,
Hello,
Kevin.
teacher.
Hello, Kevin. And Suchi. Okay, let's ask Suchi, let us ask Kevin how he is. Kevin, can you ask Kevin how he is, Suchi? Can you say, Kevin, how are you? Can you say that?
Kevin, how are you? Fine.
You're fine. You say, I'm fine, Suchi.
I want to see.
So cute.
It's
Okay,
so sweet.
guys, have you eaten dinner already?
Yes.
How about Kevin? Okay, what did you eat? Let's have, who wants to answer first?
It
Okay, let's have Kevin first. Kevin raised his hand first. Kevin, what did you eat, honey? What did you eat for
I
dinner?
right.
What happened to your nose? What happened? Oh
Cái đợt con cái gì? Cái bị ngã. Bị ngã
Phun đào, phun đào.
phun đào.
no. Oh. So does it hurt? Oh no. How about okay? How about sushi? What did you eat for dinner? Sushi?
Okay. Eat fish. Eat right.
I ate
Uh,
fish. I
I
ate
eat fish.
fish and rice.
I eat fish and rice.
We're the same. Me too. I ate fish
And
too.
I drink milk.
Wow, you drank milk too. I drank milk.
I drank milk.
How, how about Kevin? Did you drink milk, Kevin?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I did. Okay. Now, we are going to have a little bit of review, Kevin, okay, since Suchi was not around last time. So before we go to the unit number 4, let's have this last part of unit number 3. Okay? This is for
Yeah.
yeah, Kevin, This one is for Suchi, for Bounty, okay? Yeah. We will have the review for Bounty. So the one who's going to answer this part is Bounty only because you're done with this one, Kevin, right? You're finished with this one, Kevin, right? Kevin? Done with this?
Yes,
Okay, now let us ask Suchi. Okay, my dear Suchi, does he have,
Could you comprehend đâu thì sao?
honey, does he have a yogurt, honey? Does he have a yogurt?
Yes, I do. Yes,
He,
he does.
very good. Yes, he does. Now let's have number 1. My dear, does she have milk? Suchi?
No, she doesn't.
Again? Does she have milk? Does she have
No.
milk?
Yeah, she does.
Very good. Okay, next. Does he have butter? Does he have butter?
Yes, I do. Yes, he does.
Very good. Yes, he does. Very good. Okay. Honey, remember Kevin? Kevin, my dear, remember that the question starts with does. Does he have yogurt? We're talking about him. So you answer the answer. We're talking about him. So you answer yes, he does. He does. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now,
Nói là
how about this, my dear? I mean, Suchi. Does she have a yogurt? Does she have a yogurt?
No, she does.
Doesn't. Doesn't. Yeah. No, she doesn't. Again, one more time. Does she have yogurt?
No, she doesn't.
What does she have?
She has bread.
She has. Okay. Bread or a cheese? It looks like
A
a
cheese.
cheese. Yes. Okay, that is
It's
it, honey. Now let's have a review. What are the 4 dairy products that you learned from last time? We have the milk. Okay, let's have Kevin first. Milk. Kevin? Milk. Okay, let's have Suchi.
hỏi with milk.
What are the
Milk.
four?
Yogurt, cheese, butter.
Very good. How about Kevin? What are the 4 dairy products from last time? Milk.
Milk, cheese, butter, yogurt.
Yes, great job, guys. You still remembered everything. Okay, what's your favorite dairy product? Who wants to answer first? Who wants to answer first? Okay, Kevin, what's your favorite dairy product, honey?
I like milk, cheese, and yogurt.
Oh, how about Sushi?
And milk, cheese, and yogurt.
Yeah, very good, guys. Okay, so we are now going to have unit number 4. And are you ready for the unit number 4? Are you ready? Yes. Okay,
Yeah.
now we're going to have unit number 4 since we're done with unit number 3. Tang ta da.
You might.
Can you see teacher screen now? Can you see teacher screen?
No.
Huh?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so now we are going to have unit number 4 and you are going to learn about, who wants to read? Kevin. Okay.
Things to wearing.
Okay. Honey, it doesn't have ing, so things to wear.
Teacher, where you at?
What? What, Kevin? Okay, okay.
There
Okay.
you are.
Okay, sure. Okay, honey. It's okay. Okay, let's have Bounty.
Things
Bounty.
to wear.
Yes, the things to wear. Actually, honey, we already started. Kevin already started with this one. So let's go on, okay?
Yes.
Yes, let's have this one for lesson number 1, honey. We are going to talk about what is that one, honey? Can you say that one? You say it's
Clothes.
clothes.
Hello.
Yes, or
Quần áo.
quần áo. Yes, the quần áo or the clothes. We're going to learn about the clothes. Honey, my dear Suchi, do you have a lot of clothes? Do you have a lot of quần
Yes.
áo? Really? Really?
Yes.
Ooh. What kind of clothes do you like, honey? Dress, t-shirt, jacket, or shorts? Me, I like dress. Teacher likes dress.
I
How about
like
you?
everything.
You like everything. I see. What's your favorite? What's your favorite color when it comes to clothes, honey? Me, I like pink.
I like pink too.
You know what? I have a lot of pink things here. I have a pink lotion. My water bottle is pink. My makeup is pink. My makeup is pink too. My
My clothes is
powder.
pink.
Yes, it's pink too. And you know what? I also have pink comb. Everything is in pink, honey. How about you?
I have this.
What is that? Oh, is that is it for your skin, honey? Is that for your
Yes.
skin? Oh, you use that? You're the one who
Yeah.
used that? Wow. Not
Teacher.
mommy? What is
Here.
that? What is that? What is that kind of thing? Is it a toy? You have a lot of things. It's all in pink.
Here too.
Okay. Whoa! What is that? It's you know what? My baby likes that one, honey. Yeah. Is it the coloring book? Is it the coloring book?
Yeah.
No, everything's
Yes.
really in pink.
It's
We're the same,
pink.
honey. Yeah. The color of my room also, honey, is pink, but I can't show you because it's so ugly. My room is so ugly and I'm so shy to show it to you.
Teacher.
Yeah.
Teacher.
Yes. What's that? Is it for your pencil? Is it a
Yes.
sharpener for your pencil? Yeah. Everything's really in pink.
Teacher.
Wow. Even your bag. Here, I have
My
another
lamp
headset.
is pink. My
Honey.
lamp is pink.
Everything's really in pink. Wow, your pencil case is also in pink. Mine too. My headset too.
My lamp is in pink.
Pink too. Wow, everything's really in pink, honey. You really love pink. Wow. And also your doll there. Your dolls, your toys right there are also in pink. What's that? Stickers. Honey,
No,
you
either.
like that. Oh, it's empty already.
Yes.
Honey, Kevin is already in here. Okay, let's welcome Kevin. Ding, da-da-da. Kevin, unmute your mic now. Honey, do you still remember this one, Kevin? We had this one last time, right? Kevin boy? Yeah, remember this? We talked about that.
Clothes.
Yes. Okay. Honey, Kevin, I asked Suchi about her favorite color when it comes to clothes. How about you? What's your favorite color when it comes to wearing some clothes? Suchi likes pink. How about Kevin?
Green. I like green and blue.
Wow! Also for Suchi, look at Suchi's things. Suchi has a lot of pinks. Oh, Suchi has the green stuff too.
And
Me,
I
I
like
love pink.
red.
Everything's in pink.
He's a teacher.
Let's take a photo.
I have a blue this one.
You have a blue. Oh, it's a toy too. Okay, guys. Anyway, guys, let's now move forward to this one. So for this part, Kevin and Suchi, we are going to listen to the audio. Okay, you ready? That's so nice, Kevin. That's very nice, Kevin. Okay, let's go.
Page 32, Unit 4, Things to Wear. Lesson 1, Clothes. A. Listen,
Listen,
point,
point,
and say.
1.
shirt,
What's for number 1?
Shirt.
Shirt. What's the color of this shirt?
It's green.
Green.
It's
Very,
green.
very good, guys. It's a green shirt. Okay, let's have number 2.
Two.
2.
dress,
Dress.
Yes, very good, guys. Okay. Next, let's have number 3.
3.
skirt,
Skirt.
What's for number 3?
Skirt.
Yeah. Okay, next.
4.
pants,
Pants.
Suchi? Pants.
Pants.
Thank you so much, Kevin and Suchi. Let's have number 5.
Socks.
5.
socks,
What's for number 5?
Socks.
Socks. Okay, next.
6.
shoes,
Shoes.
Very good, guys. Okay, one more time. Let's read the first one.
1. Shirt. 2. Dress. 3. Skirt. 4. Pants. 5. Stock.
Last one.
6. Shoes.
Okay, let's have Suchi.
Shirt. Dress. Skirt. Pants. Socks. Shoes.
Okay, thank you so much, Kevin and Suchi, for reading everything. Now, let's move forward to the next one. What is this again? Can you describe this?
Shirt.
It is a the color too.
I see green shirt.
Very good. Okay, again. Who wants to say it again? Okay, Kevin first.
I see green shirt.
Suchi.
I see green shirt.
Very good. Now, when do you usually wear a shirt? Okay. When do you wear a shirt? Okay, let's have Kevin.
A shirt in the party.
Party. Ah, okay. Me. I wear a shirt at home for my work. How about Suchi?
I wear shirt in the school.
Very good. Thank you so much, guys. Do you like wearing shirts?
Yes.
Yes. So, how about Kevin? Do you like wearing shirts, Kevin?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. Okay. Next one. What is this?
This is a purple dress.
Very good. I can see a.
Purple dress.
Okay, who wants to say it first? Who wants to say the sentence first? Kevin.
I can see a purple dress.
Very good. Sushi.
I can see a purple dress.
Very good. Who wears dress here? Who wears dress? Okay, it's Sushi. Okay.
And
Okay.
you too.
Me too. Yes. And me too, Kevin. That's right. Okay. Let me ask Sushi because Sushi wears dress. Sushi, when do you usually wear a dress?
In the school.
Oh,
I wear a dress in the school.
very good. Okay. Me, I wear dress when I go out. Yes, to meet my friend. Okay. Anyway. I forgot to ask Kevin. Kevin. Who wears dress in your house?
My mother and my sister wearing a dress in the house.
My mother and my sister wears dress in my house. Say that again.
My mother and my sister are wearing dress in my house.
Very good. Perfect. Okay, next. Let's have this one. What is this?
This is skirt. Skirt.
Yes. What can you
I
see?
I can see pink skirt.
Okay, Sushi said it first, and then the second one is Kevin. Thank you so much. Who wears skirt here? And okay, Sushi and teacher. Okay, Sushi, when do you usually wear a skirt, my dear? When? I wear a skirt.
I wear a shirt and go out.
Ah, when I go out. Okay.
When I go
A skirt when I go out. Can you say it, Tony?
I wear shirt.
A
I
skirt.
wear skirt when I go out.
Very good. How about, thank you so much, Sushi, for that one, my dear. I really appreciate that. Let's have Kevin. Kevin, who wears a skirt in your house?
My sister wearing skirt, wear skirt in the house.
Okay, my sister wears skirt in my house. Kevin, can you say it again?
My sister wears skirt in my house.
Very good, Kevin. I appreciate that one, my dear. Thank you so much for answering my questions, both Sushi and Kevin. Now, how about this? What's this?
Pants. I see brown pants. Brown pants.
Okay, say it again, my dear Kevin.
I see brown pants.
Very good, Sushi. Can you say it again?
I see brown pants.
Who wears pants here? Who wears pants here? Me. Pants. Do you wear pants, Sushi? Oh, okay. Let's have Kevin first. Kevin, when do you usually wear pants, Kevin?
Oh,
I wear pants when?
I don't know.
You don't know. Oh, okay. How about Sushi? Sushi, when do you usually wear?
Pants when I go out and go to school.
Oh, very good. Thank you so much, guys. Me, I wear pants when I go to my daytime work at school. Yes. I always wear pants at school in my school. Okay. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for that one. Now, how about this?
Sock.
Socks. What can you see?
I can see blue socks.
How about Kevin?
I see blue socks.
Oh, are you okay, Kevin? Are you sleepy? Honey? Are you sleepy? Are you tired? Oh no. Maybe you can drink water. Yeah, drink water first. Oh no. Kevin is sleeping. Oh, what are you drinking, my dear Sushi? What's that?
I drink milk.
Milk. Oh, also Kevin. Kevin is also drinking water. Okay. All right. Now, who wants to answer this question? When do you wear socks? When do you wear socks? Okay, let's have Kevin.
I wear socks every day.
Wow. How about Sushi?
I wear socks every day.
Oh, you mean to say, guys, Kevin, Sushi, you wear socks at school and at home and then outside? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Me too. Okay. How about this?
I can see black shoes.
Okay. Kevin.
I can see two shoes.
Yes. Color.
I can see two black shoes.
Very good. That's perfect, Kevin and Sushi. Okay. When do you usually wear shoes? Who wants to answer first? When do you usually wear shoes? Who wants to answer? Me first. Teacher goes first. I wear shoes when I go to school. When I go to my daytime work. Yes. How about Kevin? Okay, let's have Kevin.
Where they too.
Yes. How about Sushi? When do you usually wear shoes, Sushi?
Wear a shoe every day.
Every day. Yes, it's really every day when you go to school, right? Guys, especially when you go to school? Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, now let's move forward to the next one, guys. Let's go to this page. Now, you're going to listen and put a number in the circle, okay? You're going to listen
Yeah.
and put a number in the circle. Kevin and Sushi, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now, teacher's going to press the audio now. Play the audio now.
Page 32. B. Listen and number. 1,
I have a yellow shirt and green pants.
Which one is number 1 there? I have yellow shirt and green pants. Who answered this? Who answered this one? Okay, very good, Kevin. Okay, this boy. He is wearing
Yellow shirt and green pants.
very good, Kevin. Again, Sushi, what is he wearing? He's wearing
He wearing
yellow
yellow t-shirt and
and
green pants.
very good. Okay, next one. Let's have number 2.
Ôi chồng ơi, cái này nó
Ừ.
muốn vẽ vào đây số 2 thì viết nào
He
nhỉ?
has green shoes.
I can know.
He's wearing green shoes. Who wants to answer this?
Yes.
Okay.
It's black. It's black.
Okay. Very good. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Okay, here. Again, one more time. What is he wearing? Okay, let's have Sushi.
He wearing black t-shirt and white pants
And green.
and green shoes.
Very good. How about Kevin? Okay, Kevin, what is he wearing, honey?
He wearing green suit
Very
and
good.
white pants and black
Okay.
shirt.
Okay. Yay! Honey, but you have to start, okay? He is wearing. Guys, can you say, he is wearing?
He is wearing.
Okay, let's have Sushi. He is wearing.
She
Wearing.
is
Okay.
wearing
Okay. Let's have.
red dress.
Okay, not yet, honey. Let's have number 3.
Teacher.
3.
I have a purple skirt. I have gray socks.
I have a purple skirt. I have gray socks. Yay! Who answered this? Yay! Okay, wow, you finally know how to answer, my dear. Okay, where's Kevin now? Kevin? Where's Kevin? Kevin? Where are you?
Seven.
Okay. All right. What is she wearing, Sushi? She is wearing
wearing
purple
skirt
and gray
and gray socks.
Very good. Okay, how about Kevin? What is she wearing, Kevin? Can you repeat that? Kevin?
She wearing a pink shirt and a
Purple
dress
and then
and a purple shoes too.
very good. Great job, guys. Okay. Next, let's have number 4.
4.
She has red shoes.
Hold on. Wait. She has red shoes. Yes, she has red shoes. Number 4. Okay. Okay, that is it. Thank you so much, guys. The both of you answered. Thank you. Okay, what is she wearing? Okay, who wants to answer first? What is she wearing?
She wearing
Okay.
white. She wearing a white shirt.
Okay, let's have Kevin first. Okay, let's have Kevin first. Okay, Kevin, what is she wearing?
She wearing a white shirt
Yes.
and a yellow dress and a red shoes.
Yes, thank you so much, honey. This is white shirt, yellow skirt, and red Shoes. Okay, let's have
Shoes.
Sushi. What is she wearing? She is wearing
She is wearing a
white
shirt and
yellow.
yellow skirt and red shoe.
Very good, Kevin and Suchi. I am so proud of you guys. Okay, now let's have the next one. Let's have number 5.
5,
I have blue pants and gray shoes.
I have blue pants and gray shoes. Oh, who answered it? Sushi? Oh, okay. Thank you so much, my dear Sushi. Okay, now let me ask Kevin. Kevin, what is he wearing?
He wearing a blue pants and a orange
An orange
shirt
and shoes. How about the shoes? And
and see
honey, it's gray. Gray shoes. Okay, let's have Sushi.
he wearing orange shirt and blue pants and gray shirt.
Very good. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, thank you so much, Kevin and Suchi. That's so great to hear. You guys are very wonderful and fantastic. Okay, let's have the next one.
6,
What is that?
She has a red dress.
Okay, she has a red dress for number 5. She has a red dress. Where is it? Number 5. 5. She has a red dress. Oh, okay. It's number 6. I'm sorry. It's number 6. Yes, it's number 6. Okay, thank you so much, Sushi. Okay, let's have Kevin. Kevin, what is she wearing?
She wearing a
Red?
red shirt and a red skirt or dress.
Yes, it's a dress, honey. Yes, it's a dress. She's
Dress.
wearing
A dress and a black shoes.
yeah, I think yes, it's black or red, honey. Okay, how about Sushi?
She wearing
She is wearing
red dress and brown shoes.
Okay, thank you so much, guys. Anyway, honey, we don't have enough time anymore. We just have seconds left. So you did so well today, guys. And Teacher Shane has to say goodbye now. I love you, Suchi and Kevin. See you next time. Love you. Bye.
Bye bye.